Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, I'm here with the final analysis of 9th of January 2020. Okay, guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, guys, we are back from vacations and now we are more towards the trading, and let's talk about the today's analysis first. So guys, this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and starting from Great Britain pound JPY. Great Britain pound JPY with the bearish expectation from 143036. And guys, you can see a very good downward trend we have seen today on Great Britain pound JPY, and it went down up to 142411. After that, the market has bounced up. So if you have done scalping during that time, during that 1 hour, then you must have caught the profit. Like you can see that I have also traded the Great Britain pound JPY, but later on it has moved up. Okay, it stayed down for 3 hours, then finally it moved up. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. This is the second signal of my signals report. You can see a huge drop here on New Zealand USD, and I have provided the bearish expectation from 0.66454 and 0.66232 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market stood to go down, and you can see the market is certainly down, and it has went beyond the barriers of the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next, we are going to talk about the USD CAD, and USD CAD, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So USD Canadian dollar with a bullish signal from 130454 and 130866 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have a very good sound upward trend on USD Canadian dollar, and it has finally hit the target price with no problem. So congratulations to our traders. If you have traded this one, then you must be in profits. At next, going to talk about the slow pairs of the day. That's the USD JPY. So basically, guys, the USD JPY got strong yesterday, and today I have turned again bullish on USD JPY. Turned bullish. So 108384 was the bullish entry, and 109651 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market is about to hit the target price. So overall, if you have traded the 3 to 5 hours on USD JPY, then you must be in profits. At last, I'm going to talk about the another slow pair that was good for scalping today, but not for long trades, because it has shown us almost no volatility in the market. That's Euro JPY. Euro JPY with the bullish expectation from 1 to 1569 and 1 218 is the target price. And guys, if I take you towards the daily chart, then you can see I have set up the target price here. So guys, if in the later session of the day if the market continues to go up, then it can test 1 22218. Okay guys, moreover, I want to show you the a discussion of one of my trader who has taken the signals tricks coaching with me, and today his message is it was another good day for trading, and let me show you his profits. And if you look at the profit, that's $156, and you can see that as per my recommendation, sell Great Britain pound JPY, sell AUD JPY, and sell Great Britain pound USD. He has taken the trades as per because he has taken the signals trick coaching from me, and then he has applied this strategy on this one, and that was my he was asking about the stop losses. So overall, guys, we are doing good with the signals. So if you are looking to subscribe to my forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators, let me explain you about the trading indicators. For example, let's move towards New Zealand USD. Now look at here what happened. The market went to the top red boundary, and then it has received the rejection from the top, and the scalper has pointed you with the red arrow at the top, and then the market has moved down. Okay guys, whenever you receive white arrows at the top red boundary, you will reject that arrows, because the market has already reached to the overbought levels. We cannot trust these levels. So guys, when the market comes into the lower red boundary, and if you see that the clear bullish pattern is in formation, then you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that today New Zealand USD is going to be bearish, That's based on a trick, and it does not require any kind of knowledge from your side. I teach this trick one time for $700, and after that you can start your own signal service, and you can also generate your own signals on any pair. So guys, moreover, the new application that we have introduced is the Expert Advisor, and for this you need to watch my yesterday video. And I'm also providing the Expert Advisor that's working very good till now. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service for all this, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.